Yeah, we're probably about to blow this 5.0 up, so. Oh my gosh. What does that go to?
What's leaking?
Oh, well, alright.
Why am I putting this back on?
What's going on, Franky gang? It's your boy Franky. I had a Franky day. I did it Franky's way, and I hope y'all doing it the same. So, as y'all can tell by the time of the thumbnail, we're fixing this guy's clutch. It's over, what, 700 wheel? Something like that?
It's just about 700.
So we're gonna put a stage 2?
I don't know what stage it is. It's the McLeod Twin disc, 1,000 horsepower rated.
So yeah, we're gonna be switching out the clutch. We're gonna call it a stage 2, but he said it's a McLeod something or whatever. But y'all know when I start the video and I'm perspiring, that means it's gonna be a good one. So make sure y'all hit this like button, man. Go ahead and subscribe, road to 1K. As of this video, we just hit 900 subs, y'all. So I need 100 more subs and we lit. So let's try to hit 1K by the end of the summer, man. And if you're feeling up to it, go ahead and comment. But y'all know what to do. Smash that like button. Let's go. All right, gang. So we're officially dubbing this as the shit Mustang, and this is why. You have to use vice grips to hold the hood up.
Oh, oh shoot.
That shit hot as hell. I'll hold it from this side. Ready?
Where am I going? Which way?
We're coming down.
Wow, this is insane.
Take it off the hanger pocket
It's
then.
gonna be out. That's what I'm trying to say.
Alright, for sure.
Okay.
Now we gotta go forward. Come out. I'm out on my side. Oh shit. Damn.
Man, that's crazy. This is not that.
Oh, it's not. Yeah.
Lift it, Eddie. There we go.
And this is a stock. This is a stock 5.0 drive shaft, right?
Yep. This is, I guess, capable of 700 wheel. With this amount of power, it doesn't look too bad at all.
How much would you say it weighs?
Just as much as Eddie.
Right?
Probably 35 pounds.
It wouldn't be an install without a souvenir. So get this video to 10K likes and you can have an RTR shift knob. Sheesh. Damn, the whole gang's back together.
Oh, I guess what is it?
So a few more bolts, 3 on each side. I think there's a top bolt, but we're not entirely sure. But the 3 bolts on there. And then we can drive. Okay, taking the clutch apart.
Look at this work of art. It's a beauty.
That does look nice.
My GTI is a 4.
Oh, okay, I see what you're saying.
Yeah, it looks like that.
Yeah, okay. Oh, nah.
What's leaking?
There's the example file.
How the fuck is it dripping in the fucking chopper?
From the front.
Disconnect that right there.
Where?
This wire. So you gotta follow it to the top.
This?
Put your hand, keep going to the front.
And that's it?
Now pull the right thing on, push in behind the right thing. Now you lower the shit. Just turn.
Oh, no, this one.
Turn it. Yeah, just slowly and then Eddie.
Make sure those fish don't fall
All you gotta
off.
do is turn it this way, right? Slowly.
Okay, hold on, it's not on it.
Too much.
Hey, fuck it.
How you
Lift it
doing?
back up, lift it back up.
Oh, it's just dripping down my shirt.
Grab a strap, bro. It'll be waiting.
Alright, where's the strap? Hold on. Alright, now straight out.
Lift it. Yep. Now pull.
Yeah, you're almost past it.
Now you just push it. Yes. Push it, you know. There we go. Alright.
Alright, it's all over.
Alright, you guys lift it up on that side. I'm coming down.
There we go.
Alright, I'm coming down.
So the trans is completely down, as you guys can see.
This is what a stock 5.0 trans looks like.
Damn, Brian's doing work?
Damn, boy.
Everybody's working. Man, he said, fuck your trans, bro.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, what are you doing?
You guys ready? Watch your feet, Brian.
Shit, what are you gonna do?
He's dropping the motor, bro.
What?
Shit.
It's a boy.
Dude, this looks like garbage.
I don't know what I'm
How
looking
is
at.
this? Okay, that carbon.
What am I looking at?
Look at the difference between those two on a stock compared to build.
Yeah, I don't
So every time it was hitting this spot, it was like...
So what does that mean, Danny, when you have heat spots on your clutch?
You don't know how to fucking drive.
Shit.
It's okay. You got
You're going ass up and face down.
Just like that, we right back into it. So it is day 2 of the clutch. So we did not finish last night. I think we were probably here till like 2. All of us had work in the morning pretty much, and we were just tired. So we decided to just call it a night. But we did get the trans out, as y'all saw. So right now we are bolting up the flywheel, or taking off the old flywheel, putting the new flywheel on. Then putting on a new clutch. Trans should go back up and we should be done. If y'all like the video thus far, man, go ahead and hit that like button. Road to 1K, yes sir. Go ahead and subscribe. Your boy trying to hit 1K by the end of August. And if you're feeling up to it, go ahead and comment. But we're gonna jump right back into the content. Let's go. Flash the light for the people in the camera. Woo! That shit looks good. Okay, very nice.
Very nice. 1,000 horsepower. Is it actually?
Yeah.
Do I face it towards me or you?
Why don't you record yourself?
Oh, am I?
Yes. I'm leaving that in there too.
Oh, I have a light. Trans going back up. Clutch is in. Time to get this in that hole.
So he can burn up this clutch too.
It's gotta be 1,600 down the drain. We have Chairmaster over here.
Yep. Supervisor.
That's that full suspension. And tiny sway bar.
Trans is in, clutch is in. Taylor just pulled up. Glody just pulled up. And Glody is not happy. Why are you not happy, Glody?
Very not happy because they broke my heart. Say it how it is, Glody. Tell them how it is. How you gonna? It's like, let's break it down, guys. It's like you're a doctor. You're operating the heart, but then you want to cut one of those arteries, and instead of replacing it, you just say, you know what? I'll put duct tape on it.
As the video y'all in, we did not replace the throwout bearing. What else didn't we replace? We didn't replace the fork. We didn't change any of the fluids.
Not the fork. Throwout bearing is suggesting.
Yeah. So we didn't do the throwout bearing. Glody is not happy about that.
Well, we don't have one and couldn't get one.
Yep. So
He's under warranty.
it'll be fine. What are you doing? Don't be a snitch, bro. What does that go to?
Oh my god.
That goes to the part inside the drive shaft. What do you mean, Eddie?
It goes in the drive shaft?
It goes all the way up here right underneath the fucking shifter.
Oh, so we don't have to drop the trans again, though, right?
No, not the trans.
Go from the top.
Everything else but the fucking trans.
What is it?
Do you need to put that back in? What is that?
Shifter in the place, right?
You do it from the top?
No.
Well,
So you just gotta take the exhaust off.
Is that rubber or metal?
That's rubber.
You might be able to slip it through the top.
that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, but the bracket isn't even on. Where's the bracket?
Bro, it was right next to it.
Oh my
Oh my god.
Oh my.
It wouldn't be a Midwest Q install if we did forget something.
I had to put all that shit in, but we gotta go get food.
What are we doing? What's wrong with your...
Alright, it's currently 12:38.
Well, we gotta go.
We gotta go get food. We
can't
also
take
at the gas station where we need to get clutch fluid. Or
Right.
else it's fucked.
Alright, well.
What's
we
wrong with
can't
your
take-
clutch?
Nothing, it's done. We just
Why do you need
fluid.
clutch fluid? Why don't you have it?
Why is it clear?
Cause it's fucking. Oh my god.
Oh shit. Look at
Bro, you're just as worse than Eddie. You're just as bad.
this is bad.
Yeah, we're probably about to blow this 5.0 up, so make sure you like the video and subscribe.
Subscribe because we're about to blow a Roush motor. That is money.
Why am I putting this back on?
We think it's some fluid still.
I know, I thought that was a fun too. It's a little thing that goes in.
Why are we going up? What are we doing?
That's what I was wondering too.
What is happening?
This is what the fuck's that movie called? Where they try to roll back the miles.
Matilda? Huh? What are you doing?
All-wheel drive Mustang, bro.
right, bro, I'm gonna get in it and hold all 3 pedals in at the same time. What do you think will happen?
What?
What am I, Eddie?
Driving for the first time. Well, not the first time, but he just got his girl back.
That sounded so
That's just
softer than the stock clutch for sure.
yeah.
Whoa, that feels weird.
It's way out, isn't it?
Dude, it feels like there's no
Resistance.
at all.
Yes.
It feels like
That's fine. You hear that?
it's it's the boot. It's gotta be the boot.
You think it's the boot?
It's the boot. It's the plastic hitting by the vibration. It's gotta be.
No way.
It's just a low enough RPM and a decibel enough to where I think it's vibrating. Dude, that's so weird. There's no, like before when you're coming out on the stock clutch, like, you know, you get your engagement point and like you feel that hard spots where it's locked and then you let go, you know, with your normal gas and
Correct.
vice versa. But this is like
A lot smoother.
there's no bite point. It literally feels like there's no bite point. Like when I'm coming out of the clutch, it's like just one motion. There's no
Yep.
there's no back force anywhere. Like it literally just comes out in one. There's no like hitch point. It's just it's just in out. Like that's literally what it is. It's just in out.
Power. Yeah.